Hi all, welcome to Demystifying Markets. So this is for tomorrow's analysis, August 20th kana analysis, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty and commodity market as well, silver, crude oil and natural gas. So market profile is the base for this channel. Market profile base vachida everyday live trading session we are doing an analysis for index and for stocks as well. So if you want to learn the market profile in a very structured and organized manner, so market profile பொறுத்தவரையுமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு poor high-ஓ ஒரு single print-ஓ ஒரு selling zone create பண்றாங்களோ இல்ல anomaly-ஓ இந்த மாதிரியான factors எல்லாமே வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஒரு theoretically வந்து இருக்கும். But more than that, like practically அது எப்படி நம்ம approach பண்ணணும், that is why we used to tell every time like joining dots அப்படின்றத நம்ம சொல்லுவோம். So it's like a dot joining. So where the training is purely focused for the dot joining process, how we are going to align the process and to see the market profile in a very holistic way, எப்படி நம்ம அதை வந்து approach பண்றது அப்படின்றது. So the next batch is going to start in September, and if you wish to learn the market profile in a very structured and organized manner, kindly contact the WhatsApp number for further details. So Nifty பொறுத்தவரையும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா, and this is purely market profile learning. So kindly do your analysis before you take trade. So market பொறுத்தவரையும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா, I mean Nifty பொறுத்தவரையும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா, இன்னைக்கு வந்து gap வந்து fill பண்ணிட்டாங்க. இன்னைக்கு வந்து gap வந்து filled in Nifty. So Nifty ஓட gap வந்து right from this level 24,670 வரையும் gap பார்த்திருந்தோம், and last session நம்ம வந்து அதை discuss பண்ணிருந்தோம். Perfect அந்த sessionல தான் gapல தான் அவங்க வந்து resist ஆனாங்க. But today what happened, market exactly open on the gap கிட்ட open ஆனாங்க. Market could not breach this level because it is the top of the gap. So if you see very clearly, market profile tells you very clearly like this gap ஓட topல வந்து perfect reject ஆனாங்க, and market profile tells you very clearly how this gap has been created because it was a single print, and this single print has been created for a purpose and these many days to hold the Nifty below the single print by creating selling excess. So it is not due to the selling excess. So இதெல்லாமே ஒரு dot joining மாதிரி தான். So like that பாத்தீங்கன்னா single print வந்து உங்களுக்கு evident தெரியுது. So அந்த single print கிட்ட market நேத்து resist ஆனாங்க, last trading sessionல resist ஆனாங்க, and today market வந்து perfect gap fill பண்ணாங்க, and gap வந்து breach பண்ணி போக முடியல. So we also see yesterday like இந்த last videoல பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த gap தாண்டி போகணும்னா ஒரு price acceptance is definitely required above 24,670 to 700 அப்படின்றத பார்த்திருந்தோம். So market don't have that pressure, buying pressure. So market exactly got rejected today. And IB ஓட downside பாத்தீங்கன்னா breakdown கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Market வந்து IB extension completed for second level of range extension வரையும் market கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. But again gap-உம் fill பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So Nifty-யை பொறுத்தவரையும் gap-உம் fill ஆயிருக்கு, range extension downside-உம் provide பண்ணி POC-யும் downside-ல, closing-உம் downside-ல place பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So இன்னைக்கு வந்து நம்ம live market-லயும் பார்த்தோம் 24,600, which is a perfect ஒரு resistance zone-ஆவே create ஆயிட்டு இருந்தது. ஏன்னா market பாத்தீங்கன்னா 24,600ல தான் almost வந்து closing வந்து last closing நடந்திருக்கு. So அதே zone கிட்ட தான் POC-யும் இப்போ almost வந்து build பண்றாங்க. 24,600 கிட்ட தான் POC-யும் build பண்றாங்க. So இந்த level in the market, if at all on tomorrow trying to go above the level of POC which has its exact closing today, so the 24,670 to 700 anywhere it could resist because it's a gap. இந்த gap வந்து அவங்க fill பண்ணாலும் இது தாண்டக்கூடிய ஒரு power that is evidently required. That is if you see here, the last closing session on this day is 24,700. So அந்த 24,700 வரையுமே perfect rejection ஆகிறதுக்கு ஒரு வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்கு. So price acceptance is definitely required for Nifty. And this single print is the reason for having 9 days to Nifty to have this kind of consolidation below the single print, and 9 days on the price increase வந்து இந்த levels குள்ள வச்சிருக்காங்கன்னா because of this single print. So if at all in this level when the cross பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னா, then the immediate resistance for Nifty is 24,800. So 24,700 and 24,800 are the immediate resistance for Nifty. So if at all market is coming down from POC 24,600 கீழ வராங்கன்னா then 24,500 which is a immediate zone. And also today பாத்தீங்கன்னா 24,500ல வந்து நல்ல ஒரு support systemமும் find பண்ணிருக்காங்க. And we know that 24,500 many times it was acted as a resistance and many times it was acted as a support. And also 24,500ல நம்ம open interestும் suggest பண்ணாங்க. So again வந்து 24,500 to 550 anywhere in the zone it can take a support. And again 24,450 to 400 which is a exact POC level of the previous times which market has taken as support. And from that onwards a top closing கொடுத்திருக்காங்க on this day, that is 16th of August, top closing, but they don't have the pressure to cross this level because it's a gap. But அங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா market வந்து is giving a big range extension. So on continuityயும் இன்னைக்கு marketல நடந்திருக்கு. Probably it was a responsive selling and buying வந்து intraday ல நடந்திருக்கு. So market don't have the buying pressure to go upside, as well as பாத்தீங்கன்னா அந்த selling zone வந்து it was not very clear. So almost ஒரு range market இன்னைக்கு வந்து ஒரு zone குள்ள fix பண்ணிருக்காங்க, that is between 24,550 to 24,650. So if at all in the level breach பண்ணி market கீழ வராங்கன்னா then obviously 24,300 and 24,200 will be the Nifty's next level of support system. So moving on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty பொறுத்தவரையும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா Nifty வந்து second level of range extension வரையும் நம்மளுக்கு provide பண்ணாங்க, whereas Bank Nifty there was no healthy range extension, because if you see here perfectly it got rejected, because we know 5th of August the selling excess was created in Bank Nifty, and till now the selling excess is working very good, and it is telling every time the sellers are active in the zone of 50,800 to 51,000 anywhere we could get a resistance அப்படின்றத நேத்து நம்ம வீடியோல போஸ்ட் பண்ணிருந்தோம். So likewise today also it got perfectly resisted. So entering into the level வந்து உங்களுக்கு excess form பண்ணிட்டாங்க. So A, B, C clear OTF sellers, and yesterday also last working day also there was a clear selling tail form, and perfectly today also it respected the level. So till now till today 5800 level la வந்து selling வந்து இருந்துட்டே இருக்கு. So 5800 to 51,000 will be the immediate resistance if at all market is coming from the POC of today. So Nifty பொறுத்தவரையும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா it has filled the gap, but Bank Niftyயும் Fin Niftyயும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த gap உள்ள இன்னும் enter ஆகல, and this is because of the selling tail or selling excess which has been created on the date of 5th of August. So இந்த selling excess னால market வந்து இன்னும் அந்த gap உள்ளே enter ஆகல, but Nifty பொறுத்தவரையும் gap உள்ள enter ஆயிட்டாங்க, ஆனா gap இன்னும் penetrate பண்ண முடியல. So above 51,000, obviously 51 is a psychological number. Above 51,000, 51,200 and 51,400, which we discussed on earlier session, because these are the upside resistance for Bank Nifty. If at all market is coming on downside from POC, that is 50,600 and the level 600 to 500 and the level in the market varanga abdina, then 5,400, which is a perfect stop for today. Market has taken poor low concept 5,400, which is the immediate basic or initial level of support which market can expect based on today's support system. If not, market is coming further down 5,400 la irundhu varanga abdina, then the immediate source to see is 5,300 and 50,000, which is an important reference, because we have these kinds of reference prior times, because அந்த இடத்துல தான் உங்க selling excess place பண்ணிருக்காங்க on this day, which acted as a clear resistance, and the next day market வந்து அந்த இடத்தை clear பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So 5,300 which is the immediate minor level of support, and obviously 50,000 to 49,900 anywhere it could take a support, because it is obviously having an excess plus POC as a support on this day, which has been created on 14th of August. So Bank Nifty பொறுத்தவரையும் இன்னும் selling excess அவங்க clear பண்ணணும், and also this day selling excess, and only then they will come out of the gap. So gap வந்து இன்னும் வந்து till 51,150 வரையுமே gap இருக்கு. So above this level, before 51,200 they should fill this, they should touch this gap, and they should bullishness இருந்தாதான் இந்த gap உள்ளே அவங்க enter ஆவாங்க. So yet to fill the gap in Bank Nifty. So Fin Nifty பொறுத்தவரையும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா like Bank Nifty. If you see Fin Nifty again, it was perfectly got rejected in the excess. So selling excess on 5th of August, market created this level, and then Fin Nifty created this level, and then onwards every time when it tries to come to the zone, perfectly it is getting rejected through the selling tail forming again and again. So இன்னிக்கும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா selling excess form பண்ணிருக்காங்க, that is 23,100 zoneல perfect reject ஆயிருக்காங்க. So selling excess and OTF sellers like Bank Nifty continue ஆயிருக்காங்க, but they don't have the pressure to continue the OTF sellers. So because market was creating this level as a resistance, so இன்னிக்கும் வந்து இந்த level they are reconfirming like sellers are active in the zone of 23,000 above 23,100. So if at all POC வந்து POC ல இந்த market வந்து கிளம்புறாங்க அப்படின்னா obviously 23,000, because that is a very very important and psychological reference. Above this level obviously 23,100 which do have their selling excess for today. So 2300 and then 23,150. So 23,150 which is the POC which has been created on this day to resist the upcoming prices in Fin Nifty. So this POC is still acting as a resistance. So 23,150 could be the next level, and then 23,150 to 23,200, because this is just a selling excess zone. So இதுல வந்து எங்க வேணா sellers இருப்பாங்க, and completely it was rejecting every time when it touches the level. Perfectly the Fin Nifty is getting rejected. So the complete zone of 2300 to 23,200 is a perfect rejection zone. And if at all the prices, if at all they are bullish, they will cross or they will penetrate the zone to re-enter to fill the gap. So gap வந்து till 23,300 வரையுமே there is a gap in Fin Nifty. So for that they should come out of the zone of 23,200. So which is not possible for Fin Nifty till today, because selling excess are playing a major role in that level. So obviously this selling excess is because of the reason single print அவங்க வந்து அந்த லெவல்ல ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So every time இந்த selling excess கிட்ட வரும்போது obviously they are getting rejected. So 23,200 they should cross, and then onwards they should அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் இந்த கேப் உள்ள அவங்க என்டர் ஆவாங்க. So 23,300 will be the gap portion. If at all market is coming on downside from POC, $22,970 or 23,000 in the market கீழ வராங்க அப்படின்னா obviously 22,900, which is the first day இன்னியோட day ஓட poor low create பண்ணிருக்காங்க, which is again an important reference. We know prior times and all. So 22,900 could be the best level of support or the initial level of support to see. And the next important thing is 22,750 to 22,800. Anywhere it could take a support, because we know it is an important zone, and 22,800 as well an important zone based on the previous references, and 22,700. So these are the three types of support system for immediate support system for Fin Nifty. So Fin Nifty பாத்தீங்கன்னா first level of range extension complete பண்ணிருக்காங்க, but Nifty வந்து ரெண்டு level of range extensionum complete பண்ணிருக்காங்க, gapum fill பண்ணிட்டாங்க. So moving on to the commodity market. So let's track the index on tomorrow liveலயும் நம்ம வந்து அதை பார்க்கலாம். So silver பொறுத்தவரையும் commodity marketல பாத்தீங்கன்னா silver பொறுத்தவரையுமே it was perfectly getting rejected on the POC which has been created in the time of 2nd of August. So அந்த POC கிட்ட தான் இப்போ வந்து rejection இருக்கு, that is at the level of 84,000. So market don't have the buying pressure to cross this level. So obviously what happened, market is trying to find any kind of support in the single print or the smart money zone which has been created on this day, the last working day of 82,800 to 82,500. 82,500 ல இருந்து 82,800 வரையும் anywhere it could take a support. So silver பொறுத்தவரையும் POC வந்து perfect reject பண்ணிருக்காங்க 84,000ல, and there is a support system or the smart money. The immediate support is smart money, and the second level is POC of this day, that is 82,000. So crude oil பொறுத்தவரையுமே நல்ல ஒரு resistance வந்து opening resistanceல வந்து open is equal to high, market is having a clear POC resistance of last working day. So this itself is a rejection. Market is coming down and POC பாத்தீங்கன்னா கீழ தான் build பண்றாங்க, balance இங்க தான் build பண்றாங்க. But if you see, it was having a excess. So where it is trying to take a support, market is now above this level, but evening தான் அதோட movement நம்மளுக்கு நல்லாவே track ஆகும். But initial support, yes, it has done justice, like the buying tail has been buying tail வந்து supportive இருந்து அந்த support system வந்து work பண்ணிருக்காங்க initial few timesல. But again வந்து evening தான் அதோட movement வந்து நம்மளுக்கு நல்லா தெரியும். Further market வந்து மேல வராங்க அப்படின்னா, then this could be a first level of resistance and this POC could be a second level, and obviously the single prints, every single prints will act as a resistance because it is a selling single print. So 6500 வரையுமே உங்களுக்கு resistance இருக்கு. If at all they are coming downside, so this could act as a support where the initial support has been taken, and the second important level is 6300 to 320. Anywhere they could take a support because it's a POC support. So coming to natural gas பொறுத்தவரையுமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா market நேத்து ஓபன் ஆயிருக்காங்க, selling single print create பண்ணி market வந்து closing was almost at the bottom. நல்ல last working day ல நல்ல ஒரு OTF sellers வந்து present பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So market வந்து இப்போ almost வந்து poor low place பண்ணிட்டு market is slowly moving upside with again a kind of OTF that is starting now from this period, that is MN இப்பதான் வந்து start பண்ணிருக்காங்க, that is few hours before. So MNOP, sorry, MN இந்த B shape profile form பண்றாங்க. So market வந்து single print வந்து continue பண்றாங்களா அப்படின்றது question mark because it's a intraday single print. So again it is for buying. So market நேத்து place பண்ணது வந்து selling. So if at all they are coming upside, then this could be the better resistance and better level of hindrance for natural gas. 183 level வந்து நல்ல ஒரு resistance இருக்க வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. If at all they are coming down, then this single print for intraday 179 to 180, anywhere it could take a support, and the second level of support is 178 if at all this single print வந்து further வந்து act ஆகுறாங்க அப்படின்னா. So both natural gas is trying to go upside, but obviously உங்களுக்கு ஒரு resistance அங்க create ஆயிருக்கு because of yesterday's single print. So this how I think I have covered almost all the points. Commodity நம்ம பார்த்துட்டோம். So நாளைக்கு வந்து live trading sessionல we discuss on index on stocks on number, as usual we'll discuss by 10 o'clock in the morning. And thank you so much, thanks for watching. So kindly join the Telegram if you would like to join the Telegram group, then the link is available in the YouTube. So kindly do your analysis before you take trade, and thank you so much.